A product development program does not fail in one day. It fails one decision at a time, like a delayed approval, a misunderstood requirement, a supplier's assumption, an engineering change, a commercial compromise. See, individually, none of them look dangerous, but together they destroy the product development programs. The strange part is everyone is doing their job. So why these product development programs still fail? 25 years ago, I asked myself exactly the same question. A program I was involved in failed. Not because the supplier failed, not because the engineering failed, not because the production failed. Everyone did their job fantastically, yet the program still failed. We lost approximately 89 lakh rupees, but that was not the real loss. The program was expected to generate approximately 180 crore of business. That future disappeared before it could even begin. That day, I realized something I had never been taught. Every department had an owner. Engineering owned engineering, purchase owned purchasing, production owned production, quality owns quality, and finance owned finance. But one question had no answer. Who owned the program? Not the department, not the supplier. The program itself, the decisions, the risk, the outcome. Nobody. For the next 25 years, across more than 3,000 product development programs, I kept seeing the same pattern. Projects rarely fail because of people stop working. They fail because nobody continuously governing the decision that connects the whole program. By the time problems become visible, they have already become very expensive. That is why Hongi Jig exists. We don't replace your engineering team. We don't replace your suppliers. We don't replace your project managers. We provide independent program governance before critical decisions are made. We identify the hidden risk. We challenge assumptions. We connect technical, commercial, and supplier decisions. So the leadership sees problem before execution turns them into losses. If your next product development program is strategically important, ask one question to yourself. Who owns the program? If the answer is not absolutely clear, let's have a conversation. Because projects don't fail in factories, they fail much earlier in decisions.